Same with Alma. And now, I think it's a blessing na nakita ko yung journey ng ngayong tatlo. I think the advice that I could give to Jared now na ikakasal na siya is that make sure that at 10 o'clock in the evening, you don't discuss any issues with your husband. You know, take the clock, put it there, and make sure that you discuss whatever issues you will have the next morning because you will be more open, you will be more fresh, and I'm sure that it will always be a good conversation. You pray and make sure that the Lord will be with you on your journey, very important in prayer, and make sure to say 3 words. You have to make sure that you say I love you every day, and before you end the day, you have to say I love you. You have to say I'm sorry. And you have to tell your husband that it will get better. I believe in you. You're very beautiful. I have seen how you've been a very good single adult. You have, it took you this far, Jared. So make sure that this one will work. And we will always be with you on your journey. I love you.
She is right now, and like I said, kung wala kang makita sa ward, edi mag-online. Kasi ganun ang pinanggalingan ng nanay mo. I met up my eternal partner through online. So that is one of my advices nun sa mga SA. If you don't find them in the ward, try it online. Out of 1,000, there will be 1%, and that's what she is. And I know it's very excited ka siya. Every woman dream to marry talaga. But I wanna tell you to please bear in mind that today, yung feeling na yan is okay. But when you are already on that state, it's a blessing. Pero syempre, hindi ko ito nasabi dati sa mga SA. I feel sad when some of the SA are no longer than before. So I want to be straightforward. Please know that the marriage life is not easy. And you will be tested. And I wish you all the best, Jared, that you will stay doon sa covenant path na yon. And no matter what, you will love him forever. Kasi matagal mo na yun na inasamin is already there. Life of being married is hindi laging masaya, but it's like a roller coaster. Like Sister Rosal said, masaya. We all have all the gospel, and I pray isabuhay yung gospel na yon. Siyempre, isang araw, malaman hindi na siya yung kagwapo ngayon. After that, diba? Pero, alalahanin mo, you swear and promise you will love him till death do us part. Yung mga bagay na hindi mo nakita ngayon, makikita mo pag nagsama na kayo, mahalin mo siya ng gusto. And I'm very happy for you. And sana magka-baby ka agad. Di ba? Kasi pinangarap ko yun eh. Kaya masaya ako sa mga SA na nagkaka-baby ka agad. I wish you all the best!
When life offers you so many blessings, please make it an opportunity for both of you and your partner also to kneel down and be grateful. And always look ahead with an eternal perspective. Think everything that will last throughout eternity. So any situation na mabigay sa inyo, whether it be a good or a bad situation, always look forward to it. Yun lang.
Being with my angel, being with my best friend, being able to make wonderful new memories with you means a lot. That we're going to be finally together at last. We're going to finally be together. Finally married. Been together for 3 years now, and finally get married. And not gonna have to say goodbye. It's a lot. And it means so much that you're having a bridal shower over there and you're not able to celebrate with your family and friends. I know it means a lot to you. And hopefully you and all your family and friends and everybody over there having a good time. And you can remember and cherish those memories. Be able to spend time with them, because I don't know exactly when you're gonna be able to go back to Dubai to see your family and friends, but I do want to go back. And I'm so looking forward to spending time with you, being with my best friend, being able to tell you about everything, about my day, making new memories with you, and I love you, Jerry, so very much. Have a wonderful bridal shower. I will be married soon. You are the very best thing to ever happen to me. I love you so very much. You are my best friend, love of my life, and my angel.
Anong feeling ng ikakasal?
Ano ko ng 5 love languages eh. Kasi marami ako nakita na although they love each other, kaya lang since hindi nila alam kung paano yung love language ng partner nila, nagkakaroon ng issue. Kasi yung isa gusto niya lang makikita sabihin siya ng sorry, I love you. Yung isa yung maganda na malaman mo kung ano yung love language ng spouse mo, ng partner mo. So kaya,
Pwede lang to, pero
hindi ko lang kaya sa
hinaan mo lang. Usba lang to niya. Walay music.
Wow. And this is another one from Sister Cheryl. Ayun, meron pala. Sister Cheryl, tsaka yung sa amin. Okay, so sino yung who won?
Scratch
Please
na.
stand up. Come over here. This is for you. Ha? Oo nga. Congratulations. Okay, so now we're gonna proceed.
Hindi ako nag-make kasi ang bigat naman sa... Isa torture niya. Message ko torture sa akin. Talagang ay... One year lang apart na yun. High school, grade school, university, high school, sabay kami lagi. Lagi kami pareho ng damit. Ang ginagawa ng mama namin, we had a bridal shower with the family yesterday. I was so emotional. I told them, torture niya sa akin kasi I know, message na naman ako bukas. So emotional.
Yan, nadadamay po kami.
Soon you'll be having like this. So clingy. Yes. Jared knows what's in my heart. My marriage is not perfect. She's been there for me. Despite of that, she's
it's not discouraged to get married. And I'm happy that everyone came for her, especially yung mga single adults. I know you'll be inspired with my sister. And we're so happy with you, Jared. Hindi ko na yeah, love you. I hope you feel all the love today.
Aww.
Okay na po, nasa niya na po yung my sister.
So, si Jared kasi, pag umaalis kami, bumuwi kami, sasabihin ng mga kasal, mga anak mo. Because I'm like, so far away. Ito kasi yung magkakapatid na si Jared and Valdez. And then, ang layo ng agwat namin kahit ako pati si Gio, they're like, almost like half a decade apart. So, I came to Dubai when she was just like 6, 7. So, I feel like sila na yung alma yung super close.
Super enemy din.
Super enemy din. So, so, like, seeing like, feeling alma, like, parang hirap na mawala siya sa amin. But I think that's what love is for, right? And as she's saying, this is the best decision of her life, and we're here to support her all the way. And we love you so much. Everyone came here and celebrate with me for this new journey. Especially to my sisters who's been all the way there for me. From when I was still 7 years old, my sister usually was the one to help the family, us, her siblings. She's been always there ever since, and up until now, doing all this for me. I'm so loved and blessed. I know that as your messages, so marriage is not easy, and this decision is not easy for me. It's been like a lot of journey. It's been tough. We've been a lot with my longest supporter, but through the gospel, we've reached here, and I've always looked up to my sister that one day be in the temple and get married there and sealed. And it happened. And I didn't expect, like, it's been a long wait, but I'm here now. And just feel so loved and blessed. And thank you, sisters, for coming and celebrating with me. And for the Relief Society too. Those there, I know that the leaders will always inspire us to do the right thing and do the right choice. And this is the best decision I've ever made.